The inspiring life story of Dhruv Rathi. Dhruv Rathi is one of the most famous Indian YouTubers today. He is known for explaining complex topics in a very simple way. His videos are about politics, social issues, environment, history, and facts. Millions of people watch his videos to understand what is happening in the world. But Dhruv Rathi's journey was not easy. He did not become successful in one day. His life story teaches us about hard work, courage, honesty, and learning continuously. This is the complete story of Dhruv Rathi, written in simple English. Early life and childhood. Dhruv Rathi was born on the 8th of October 1994 in a small town in Haryana, India. He grew up in a normal middle-class family. His family believed in education and discipline. From childhood, Dhruv was very curious. He always asked questions like, why, and how? He liked science and technology. He enjoyed reading books, watching documentaries, and learning new things. Unlike many children, he was not satisfied with short answers. He wanted deep explanations. In school, Dhruv was a good student. Teachers noticed that he had strong thinking skills. He liked logical discussions and debates. This habit later became very important in his life. Love for learning and education. After completing his school education in India, Dhruv Rathi moved to Germany for higher studies. This was a big step in his life. Living in a foreign country was not easy. He had to learn a new culture, new language, and new lifestyle. In Germany, he studied mechanical engineering. Later, he also studied renewable energy engineering. He was very interested in clean energy, environment protection, and sustainable development. Living in Europe opened his mind. He saw how systems worked in developed countries. He learned about democracy, freedom of speech, public transport, clean cities, and environmental care. These experiences changed his thinking deeply. Beginning of his YouTube journey. Dhruv Rathi started his YouTube channel around 2014. At first, he made videos related to travel and daily life. Slowly, he began talking about social and political topics. His early videos did not get many views. Sometimes only a few hundred people watched them. But Dhruv did not stop. He believed in his content. He noticed that many people in India did not understand political news clearly. News channels were confusing and emotional. So Dhruv decided to explain topics with facts, data, and logic. He used simple English and Hindi, clear examples, charts and images, calm and respectful tone. This made his videos different from others. Rise to fame. Dhruv Rathi became popular when he started explaining current political issues in a factual way. He talked about Indian politics, government policies, elections, fake news, media bias. People liked his honest and bold style. He did not shout. He did not abuse. He only spoke with facts. Slowly, his channel started growing fast. From thousands of subscribers, he reached millions of followers. Young people especially loved his videos. Students, first-time voters, and working professionals felt that Dhruv was speaking for them. Facing criticism and challenges. With fame came criticism. Many people did not like Dhruv Rathi's opinions. Some accused him of being biased. Some trolled him online. Some even threatened him. But Dhruv did not become angry. He always said, "Question everything, including me." He encouraged people to check facts and think independently. He welcomed healthy debate. This courage made him stronger. Instead of stopping, he improved his research and presentation quality. Content beyond politics. Dhruv Rathi is not only about politics. Over time, he expanded his content. He started making videos on environment and climate change, history and world events, science and technology, social problems, internet scams and fake gurus. He also made educational series explaining how democracy works, how economy works, how laws are made. These videos helped students and common people understand difficult topics easily. Environmental activism. One of the most important parts of Dhruv Rathi's life is his love for nature. He strongly supports environmental protection. He talks about climate change, renewable energy, air and water pollution, sustainable living. He believes that the future of Earth depends on our actions today. His education in renewable energy helped him explain these topics scientifically. Personal life. Dhruv Rathi lives in Germany with his wife Julie Lbr. She is also a content creator. They often travel together and make travel vlogs. Dhruv likes traveling, cycling, reading books, making documentaries. Even after becoming famous, he lives a simple and disciplined life. He believes in balance between work and personal life. Writing books and documentaries. Dhruv Rathi also writes books and creates long documentary-style videos. These works show deep research and storytelling skills. His documentaries are well-structured, fact-based, easy to understand. They are useful for students, teachers, and curious learners. Why people trust Dhruv Rathi? People trust Dhruv Rathi because he shows sources and data. He explains both sides of an issue. He accepts mistakes if proven wrong. He respects audience intelligence. He never asks people to blindly follow him. He wants people to think. Impact on Indian youth. Dhruv Rathi has influenced millions of young Indians. Many students say that they started reading news and checking facts because of him. He teaches critical thinking, logical reasoning, awareness about rights and duties. In a country with a large young population, this impact is very important. Dhruv Rathi's life teaches us many lessons. Education is powerful. Question everything. Facts are stronger than noise. Be brave and honest. Never stop learning. Conclusion. Dhruv Rathi is not just a YouTuber. He is an educator, thinker, and responsible citizen. His journey from a small town in Haryana to becoming a global voice shows that knowledge and courage can change lives. His story inspires us to learn, speak truth, and make the world a better place.